In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Shopify account effectively to ensure your online store is both secure and welcoming to your visitors. Whether you're just starting with Shopify or looking to refine your store's settings, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on configuring some essential features. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Shopify account and head over to the dashboard. This is your command center, where you'll have easy access to all the tools you need to run your store. So start by clicking on My Store on the homepage of the Shopify admin panel. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this page, as it provides a comprehensive overview of your store's status and performance. Once you're in, find the Online Store button. Clicking this will take you to the next set of options. The Online Store section houses various settings related to the appearance and functionality of your storefront, making it a pivotal area for store customization. Now, locate and click on Preferences. This section is particularly important because it allows you to define key aspects of how your store is presented to visitors and manages the general settings that can affect your store's discoverability and appeal. Within the Preferences tab, you'll see the option for Password Protection. This is an essential feature, especially if you're in the process of setting up your store or updating it with new products and want to do so privately. By enabling password protection, you control who gets access, creating an exclusive environment until you're ready to go live. Then move on to the Password field. Here, you can set a personalized password that your visitors will need to access your site. Select a strong password, something memorable yet secure, to safeguard your store during the development phase or special promotions. Remember, a strong password is usually a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure maximum security. Finally, don't forget to personalize the message to your visitors. This message is what your visitors will see when they're prompted to enter the password. Use this opportunity to communicate effectively with them. Perhaps inform them of the launch date, thank them for their patience, or give them a sneak peek of what's to come. Crafting a thoughtful message here sets the tone for your brand and keeps visitors engaged, even if they can't yet access the full store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage access to your Shopify store, ensuring that it remains secure while presenting a professional and welcoming face to the world. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating Shopify's features to optimize your online store. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more informative guides.